Good afternoon and a very warm welcome to the Barbican Centre for this special event, the graduation for the University of Law. My name is John Watkins, I'm the University's Director of Employability, and it just falls to me to give a few preliminary announcements before we get proceedings formally underway. So in time-honoured tradition, if I could perhaps ask you to make sure that mobile phones are either switched off or to silent, please, that would be much appreciated. And in terms of flash photography, if that could be avoided during the course of proceedings, that equally would be appreciated. We're not expecting any fire drills today, so if the fire alarm does go off, we will need to evacuate the building. We will be guided by the Barbican staff who are dotted around the venue wearing the T-shirt with the word Barbican on it. In a moment, I will give you a quick run-through about how things are going to work. But perhaps just to say right from the outset that if any of the graduands have decided to move from where your allocated place was, now is a good time to move back. You have no idea the precision that is required to make sure that everybody's in the right place for being called up. So if you found a long-lost friend and decided to go and sit with them, if you could make your way back to your original seat, that would be excellent. If nobody moves, then you're obviously superior to this morning's group, where there was much misbehaviour. So in terms of paying attention for the next few moments in terms of how to navigate from that side of the stage to this side of the stage, that is the journey that you will undertake. So from my left, your right, along the way there. There is no need to rush. It's your moment in the spotlight. Do enjoy it. A couple of important things to observe. There is a cross on the red carpet. That's not there for any idle reason. No way. It is there because it's the place for you to stand. And there is only one cross, you can't miss it. So as you come across the stage, stand there, and we're going to bow to the Vice-Chancellor. For those of you who are comfortable with bowing, the Vice-Chancellor will bow back. We are not shaking hands, we are not doing fist pumps, we're not elbowing. Please don't elbow the Vice-Chancellor, that's not good news. So it's a very straightforward manoeuvre across. Now, in terms of photography, again, carefully thought through and practiced, once you have done your bow, you will continue walking. You won't pose for a formal photograph. You will walk, and that does produce a much better photograph. And you're needing to focus up on the balcony. So a warm wave from the corner there. Do not focus here. This is the live stream event, but it's not going to give you as good a photographs if your eyes go up to the top up there. Okay. So we'll do a little demonstration in a moment, just in case you didn't hook up full attention to what I was saying. But just one observation to make before we start, and I don't know what it is about occasions like today, but for some people it does seem to mark an occasion where they think, I'm going to try a different walk. Now, we're actually quite happy if today is that big day that you've decided, maybe last night you went to bed and thought, you know, look at what I've achieved, but there's just one thing that I'm not satisfied with, and tomorrow I'm going to walk differently. Or whether you've woken up this morning and thought, big milestone in my life, today is the day where not only do I graduate, but I also adopt a new walk. It's up to you. But there really is no need. You can do the normal stuff. So Tria is going to show you, in terms of walking across, getting the eyes up there, and making sure that the bow is correct. And I will play the Vice-Chancellor. Tria. Excellent. Spontaneous applause came through as well there, which is very good. We do want to make sure that everybody gets a good round of applause as they come up. So, in a moment, I will exit the stage, and the Crystal Palace Quartet will resume playing their wonderful music. That will be the moment when the platform party comes into the building, and at that stage, you will be asked to upstand and be ready for things to kick off. So have a wonderful day. Thank you very much.
Graduands, colleagues of the university, proud parents and friends. It gives me great pleasure to welcome you to our November 2022 graduation ceremony and to welcome you to the wonderful and iconic Barbican Centre. Today is the very best day of the academic year for myself and for my colleagues at the university. To say that we are filled with pleasure and pride to welcome our graduates here today is a true understatement. We are simply and utterly delighted. Your success is our mission. Seeing you all here today is the culmination of a unique partnership between you as brilliant, committed and incredibly hard-working students and ourselves as your tutors, guides and mentors. We have been truly privileged to be part of your lives, and we hope that you will remain as part of the family of the University of Law as our alumni in the future. And what a wonderful way to put aside the turmoil of the moment and enjoy the proceedings of today. So, today is all about celebrating the achievements of you, our graduands. So I'm going to keep my words brief. But I hope that what I do say will give you some food for thought and encouragement as you continue on this next exciting phase of your lives. To the graduands assembled here, I have first of all to offer my congratulations on behalf of everyone at the university for the success that we are celebrating. Everyone from the university, those here and those absent, wants you to know how happy we are for you today and just how very proud you have made us. You have now moved on to a new chapter of your lives, to further study, traineeship, pupillage, paralegal work, or diverse careers in law or business or beyond, both here in the UK and indeed across the world. So, I would counsel you to do two things before the end of today. Firstly, take a moment to think of and thank all those who have encouraged and sustained you during your extensive studies on whatever level. The route to qualification as a lawyer or indeed in business is rigorous, long and extremely demanding. Then, take another moment to reflect on your personal achievement. You have worked so very hard to be here. You surmounted the many challenges presented by the pandemic, as well as the academic rigour of your studies. Reflect on the fact that you set out to do something that not many get to achieve, and you did it. The question now is what you do with it. So, I offer you first some practical advice, and then a thought on how to use your legal or business expertise. The best practical insight I can give you is from my own experience. Life will throw many challenges your way. Its tests and trials may be big or small, fair or unfair. But in coming through them, you will emerge stronger. While we celebrate success today, it is also important to acknowledge that many of life's lessons are learned in failure. And as a result, you must not be scared or thrown by it. In fact, failure is just part of the path to great success, in the form of understanding yourselves and others, in learning new things, and in finding your true value in the world. And in this busy and often confrontational and frantic world, take time as individuals and as professionals to listen, to reflect, and then to listen again. Nelson Mandela, one of the greatest figures in modern times and a London-trained barrister, offered the following simple observation. I learned to have the patience to listen when people put forward their views, even if I think those views are wrong. You can't reach a just decision in a dispute unless you listen to both sides. Now, graduating today, you join an illustrious list of alumni, leading minds both in the law and beyond. These include the ex-Lord Mayor of London, Dame Fiona Woolf, legal entrepreneurs like Elliot Chalmers, owner of the first ever independent music law site for musicians in the UK, policymakers, many politicians from across the spectrum, including Lord Mayor Sadiq Khan, Hazel Blears, Maria Eagle, Harriet Harman, Charles Falconer, and Baroness Saida Varsi, to name a few. Then there are leaders of business like Nick Connor, MD of Volvo, and outstanding sportsmen and women, including Eniola Aluko, who played football for England and Chelsea, and Johnny Searle, the Olympic gold medalist in rowing. You are indeed in very good company. Now, I offer you these examples only to remind you that there is no limit to what you can achieve. And achievement does not need to be marked by grabbing headlines. Indeed, to the contrary, true achievement is to pursue your lives and careers with the same energy and integrity with which you have pursued your studies. You have chosen a path that allows you to be transformative. Then be inspired and make a difference. Graduates, we need you. We need you to set up and run companies and drive innovation. We need you to serve at the highest levels of government. We need you to work in our courtrooms and in our schools. We need you to shape the future of technology. Above all, we need you to challenge mediocrity and injustice. We need you in so many different places because the totality of your intellect, your compassion, and your lived experience will make our world a better place. I'd like to end with a final and famous lesson learnt from the habits of Canadian geese. These incredible birds, very much like law business students like you, are super smart. They've learned that by working with rather than against each other, they achieve greater flying distances than flying solo. When the lead goose tires in flight, another of the team instinctively takes over. If one gets sick, two drop out and follow it down to help. And, so appropriate to us all here today, throughout their journey, these wonderful, smart, ambitious creatures constantly honk encouragement to each other because they found that by doing so, they're able to fly further. So let's take this lesson and be like the Canadian geese. Thank you so much for listening to me this afternoon, and I wish you all the very best.
Good afternoon, I'm David Blunkett. I'm the chair of the University of Law Board, and when I was at school, we used to take bets as to how long the visiting speaker would go on our speech day. It was always too long, so I shall be extremely brief. I just wanted to offer my congratulations to the graduates, to a very warm welcome to family and friends, and to say what a great privilege it is to be involved with the University of Law. This is your day and your celebration, and we're here just to congratulate you, but also to wish you well for the future. I don't know whether you noticed, but there was a couple of weeks ago a notice in the paper that said that the most popular boy's name at the moment is Noah. And you'd understand why, because we might all need an ark if we carry on in the way we are doing. And we live in incredibly turbulent times, which is why, and I'm speaking now to the graduates, why you need to pick up the cudgel and be the future, to do better than those of us who have been in public life for a long time, and certainly to be able to provide greater leadership and clarity for the future. It's not leadership just from the top of politics and business, it's leadership at every level of our society, so that people feel that they're making a contribution to creating a better world. And the one thing that's always held us together is civil society. It's outside what happens in the political arena and the knockabout that we've had over the last terrible few weeks, where the reputation of our country has been trashed and where on occasions we've been worried about our constitution. And those of you who have been studying law will be all too familiar with the dangers. And it is success in business and entrepreneurship and enterprise, and it's the understanding of the law and its importance in our constitution and the stability that it gives to us, the rights that we provide to the individual, the combating of corporate and vested interests, the ability to provide advice when it's needed, that is at the bedrock of keeping our society together, but crucially to ensuring that we remain a democracy. Now, that's the Sermon on the Mount. I just want to tell you a couple of stories that illustrate lessons in life. I had the great privilege of being able to meet a number of times Her late Majesty, Queen Elizabeth. It was always a great pleasure, but 25 years ago, I learned a lesson about how gentle and caring you have to be with people who sometimes just get it a little bit wrong. And in this case, it was me. 25 years ago, I was being sworn in as the new Education and Employment Secretary in '97, and we had to go through a ceremony to be designated a member of the Privy Council and sworn in to office. And we had practiced walking across the floor and kneeling on the cushion for the Queen to do the business. And I had to leave the dog behind. It wasn't this dog, it was a previous dog, because dogs aren't too good at finding cushions. If they are, they may chew on them or do something even worse. So I left the dog with the incoming Foreign Secretary, Jack Straw, and I walked across the room, and by some miracle, I hit the cushion, but I was facing the wrong way. And the Queen had to very gently nudge me round without humiliating me or causing any embarrassment. Years and years before, I'd actually caused a bit of embarrassment to myself. Because when I was leader of Sheffield City Council, I'm only telling you this because there are lessons about it. I learned a really fundamental lesson about when you're offered help, doesn't matter how clever you think you are or whether you think you can manage, it's always best to take it. And we were having lunch after the Queen had opened facilities in the city, and I hadn't asked what we were going to eat for lunch. And it turned out to be what we call up north Barnsley chops. Now, if you've ever tried getting the fat off the meat and the meat off the bone in a restaurant, you'll know even if you can see, it's pretty difficult. And it's almost mind-blowingly impossible if you can't see. And I was struggling with it. And Her Majesty said to me, "Mr. Blunkett, would you like some help? Because I can see you struggling." And like an idiot, instead of saying, "Yes, thank you very much," and living out on it for weeks and weeks to come, I said, "No, I'm doing absolutely fine, Your Majesty, thank you very much." A minute or two later, she said, "It doesn't look to me as if you're doing fine, Mr. Blunkett." Anyway, cut a long story short, she put me out of my misery. She said, "Mr. Blunkett, you know, you don't need to be embarrassed. I cut the meat up for the corgi dogs, you know." And the world could have swallowed me up. And the lesson, of course, was that if you're offered it, take the help. And never be too pompous. Always be humble enough to know that somebody else might be there alongside you. It's a lesson for life. And I learned something from an old guy called Rabbi Lionel Blue. He used to do a thing called Thought for the Day on Radio 4's Today programme. He's long dead, but before he died, he gave me permission to use his little story. You'll see why I needed permission. It was about Reuben, whose house was being repossessed, and his business was going bust. And he went down to the synagogue on a Saturday, and he asked the Lord to help him win the lottery. And this went on for 6 weeks. And clearly the Lord got a bit fed up with it. And a booming voice comes down on the 6th Saturday morning. Reuben, my boy, the Lord helps those who helps themselves. And Reuben said, but Lord, what is it you want me to do? And the Lord said, for God's sake, buy a ticket. And the lesson I took from that little homily was very simple. We all have to buy the ticket. We have to put the effort in. We have to go the extra mile, as all of you have done. We need friends and family around us to tolerate it when we're getting overmuch or when things are getting us down. But in the end, if we buy the ticket, there's just a chance. I mean, it's a 45 million to 1 chance, but there's just a chance we might win the lottery. You're winning the lottery. You're setting out on life. You're going to make a contribution for yourself and for the community around you. You've got every opportunity. Grab it with both hands and make our world and our country a better place in which to live. Thank you very much.
I call upon Sarah Ramsey to present the students from Birmingham for the award of their degree.
Vice-Chancellor, I present to you and the whole university the students from the Birmingham campus for the award of Graduate Diploma in Law. Laurencia Na Momo Afote. Florence Atitsog Bui. Silas Osei Boateng. Charlotte Louise Hills. Ankita Negi. Laura Wilhelmina Na Adei Saniez. Justina Adwoa Serwa. Kieran Arif Shah. Kira Nicole Wade. And now I present to you the students for the award of Postgraduate Diploma in Bar Practice. Rakeem Adalat. Joseph Chiveo. Harman Kuna. And now I present to you the students for the award of Postgraduate Diploma in Bar Practice and Master of Laws in Bar Practice. Elizabeth Francesca Adams. Sharonjeet Kaur Dhaliwal. And now I present to you students for the award of Master of Laws in Bar Practice. Zhenzhou Li. Akshay Kumar Sharma. Peter Alexander Whittle. And now I present to you the students for the award of Postgraduate Diploma in Professional Legal Practice. Hiba Adney. Ayomide Kalawole Adio. Kieran Aslam. Kimberly Gamez. Simran Jaku. Kirandeep Kaur. Harpreet Keller. Priya Kumari. Kuram Mirza. Mariha Saha Mohammed. Anita Wairimu Muriu. Anchal Vashist. And now I present to you the students for the award of Master of Laws in Professional Legal Practice. Ernest Miles Abadou. Jennifer Serwa Abadi Ade. Jazim Agab. Nadia Ali. Nafisa Ali. Harry John Harvey Barnes. Isabel Bastian. Nicole Bedell. Irini Despina Bendo. Mohammed Usman Binyamin. Charlotte Louise Brewster. Mohammed Hamza Rahman Chowdhury. Manar Dayoub. Samuel Benjamin Dell. Emily Dickinson. Rhoda Oluwatun Mishe Ekamodi. Barbara Elizabeth Eisen Hughes. Amira Abdo Ahmed Salah Hassan. Amy Rebecca Hughes. Nafisa Hussain. Alicia Jeter. Govind Singh Johal. Averdi Kalala Kalenga. Emma Jane Kelly. Natalie Marie Kenny. Kieran Khan. Iqbal Khan. Arisa Kong Pirom. Sasha Jane Lloyd. Andrea McAvey. Bryony Ann McCleary. Oscar Casey McCracken. Elizabeth June Nichol. Tamika Lee Reed. Hamza Sagir. Mahira. Sanjay Sharma. Lucy Catherine Simmons. Kamla Singh. Emily Slate. Jasmine Kaur Sarana. Mohammed Usman. Fahara Waheed. Aisha Wasim. Megan Jessica Webb. Malika Yunis-Zada. Anand Singh Verdi. And now I present to you the students for the award of Master of Science in Law, Business and Management. Naaman Ijaz Ahmad. Benny Luke Barnabas. Abimbola Mariam Bello. Serene Fahem. Rupert Gadia. Mariam Gulfraz. Jyosna Lalit Kumar Jain. Amira Kalam. Krithika Kannan. Kwabena Mensa Kusi. Arslan Mahmood. Masayo Ono. Saloni Shah. Olawatobi Olawadununsi Shokon. And now I present to you the students for the award of Master of Arts in Law. Laura Elizabeth Crawley. Daniel Thomas Curtin Watts. Eleanor Sarah Freeman. Millie Hope Grundy. Max Otto Head. Sana Pervez Kiani. Molly Elizabeth Jane Evans. And now I present to you the student for the award of Master of Laws General, Biwerki Esegbe. And now I present to you the students for the award of Master of Laws in International Human Rights, Shirley Jessie Awotwi Pratt. Sarah Maroney. Layla Sushansian. And now I present to you the student for the award of Master of Laws in Mediation and Alternative Dispute Resolution, Olasalopi Abadunrin Awe. And finally, I present to you the students for the award of Master of Laws in Medical Law and Ethics, Wui Im Chin. Gabriel Okpuno Okei.
I call upon Emma Taylor to present the students from Bristol and Exeter for the award of their degree.
Vice-Chancellor, I present to you and the whole university the students from the Bristol campus for the award of Graduate Diploma in Law. Olivia Alice Jenkins. Elizabeth Lucy Moore. Reese Phillips. And now I present to you the student for the award of Graduate Diploma in Law and Master of Science in Law, Business and Management, Catherine Beatrice Chaplio Braithwaite. And now I present to you the student for the award of Postgraduate Diploma in Bar Practice, Savannah Whitney Robinson. And now I present to you the students for the award of Postgraduate Diploma in Professional Legal Practice, Ryan Aaron Nutland. Chloe Anna Perez. And now I present to you the students for the award of Master of Laws in Professional Legal Practice. Matthew Sebastian Bevel Anderson. Laura Emily Carroll Brimson. Lauren Emily Campbell. Sian Anna Ford. Senna Noor Guverjan. Connor Daniel MacDonald. Neve Jenna Monaghan. Elvira Anna Norton. Maeva Saron Amelie Stead. Rebecca Alexandra Emily Willis. And now I present to you the students for the award of Master of Science in Law, Business and Management. Megan Elizabeth Armstrong. Elizabeth Patricia Corrigan. Olivia Duncan. Doran Jack Aramis Hassan. Afraz George Inayat. Douglas Elson. Henry Mark James Hassat. Matthew Allen Henderson. Sophia Rhodes. Veronica Patricia Rosser. And now I present to you the student for the award of Master of Laws in Company Law, Gabrielle Agaymang. And finally, I present to you the students for the award of Master of Laws in Corporate Governance Grad ICSA, Kako Johnson Mavala. Uduak Etim Opko. Vice-Chancellor, I present to you and the whole university the students from the Exeter campus for the award of Graduate Diploma in Law. Selin Bilgic. Tamsin Holly Burrows. Rihanna Carla Snow. Joseph Henry James Wickham. And now I present to you student for the award of Postgraduate Diploma in Professional Legal Practice, Monica Montero Almeida Duke. Dalal El Laham. Thomas Glover. And now I present to you students for the award of Master of Laws in Professional Legal Practice. Yasin Ahmed. Jasmine Patricia Jackson Galvin. Ikra Naveed Ghani. Niruntri Jackson. Anande James. Ruby Morris. Catherine Jane Stevens. Justine Frances Wattridge. And finally, I present to you students for the award of Master of Science in Law, Business and Management. Asma Shakil Harun. Charlotte May Huntley. Marcus Punton.
I call upon Rachel Driscoll to present the students from Chester, Liverpool and Manchester for the award of their degree.
Vice-Chancellor, I present to you and the whole university the students from the Chester campus for the award of Master of Laws in Professional Legal Practice. India Eva Castley. Morgan Michael Dalton. Amelia Catherine Lucas. Jericho Florence Melton Dyer. Charlie Leah Potter. Molly Ann Walters. And finally, I present to you the students for the award of Master of Science in Law, Business and Management. Amelia Georgia Colton. Elizabeth Mary Craig. Danielle Christine Ford. Melissa Lucy Scott. Vice-Chancellor, I present to you and the whole university the students from the Liverpool campus for the award of Graduate Diploma in Law. Holly Carla Lutas. Laura Elizabeth Smith. And now I present to you the students for the award of Postgraduate Diploma in Professional Legal Practice. Andrew Edward James Wiley. Hannah Margaret Poole. And now I present to you the students for the award of Master of Laws in Professional Legal Practice. Emma Elizabeth Convey. Kelsey Lee Faulkner. Angelika Karolina Jankowska. Tracy Diane Coffey. Anna Catherine McCarthy. Hannah Elizabeth Owen. Angharad Elizabeth Rees-Hughes. Paige Rosa Richards. Sarah Tesney Roberts. Yasmin Rayana Datani. And finally, I present to you the students for the award of Master of Science in Law, Business and Management. Rihanna Murphy. Mohammed Tariq Mahmood Salam. Sanjit Sathya. Victoria Jane Swarva. Vice-Chancellor, I present to you and the whole university the students from the Manchester campus for the award of Graduate Diploma in Law. Ikran Abdurrahman. Akua Afriye Ajibodi. Abra Arif. Tanvir Haider. Anna Maria Mancheva. Florence Murphy. Aisling May O'Connor. Abdul Shakur Khmer. Bethany Lauren Wardle. Aisha Yamo. Binish Zubair. And now I present to you the students for the award of Postgraduate Diploma in Bar Practice and Master of Laws in Bar Practice. Katie Ann Goldstraw. William Douglas Plant. And now I present to you the students for the award of Postgraduate Diploma in Professional Legal Practice. Oboloniso Chinemumwa Avo. Sarah Christie. Amelia Patricia Denton. Charlotte Meekis. Abdul Hasib Shanawaz. And now I present to you the students for the award of Master of Laws in Professional Legal Practice. Sahar Tamana Ali. Feras Al-Mubarak. Laura Neve Bailey. Sareen Belkhair. Samantha Jane Bennett. Millicent Abigail Brooks. Lena Bakari. Amelia C. Burgess. Agatha Crane. Mariana Chioma Dyler. Simon Evans. Natasha Jane Harford. Rosa Hassan. Abigail Maria Hill. Gabriella Hoxer. Alia Ibrahim. Emma Lauren Kelly. Joseph Kindley. Michaela Judith Kerwin. Akisi Valentine Coffey. Catherine Hannah Lunt. Amen Malik. Isabella Louise Mayer. Abigail Louise McGarry. Habiba Mia. Hadil Musbahi. Uzma Naseem. Moniki Ulazabomi Oyeniyi. Manaf Rashid. Heyra Sagir. Tanya Ferdos Sindhu. Sahib Sahel. Jennifer Elizabeth Stanton. And now I present to you the students for the award of Master of Science in Law, Business and Management. Oluwabunmi Angiela Oluwa Adaramole. Mohammed Ali. Mubin Askar. Zoe Bennett. Caitlin Danielle Biggs. Mohammed Ali Bakari. Natalia Maria Bumbach. Ella Louise Coverley. Thomas James Foley. Amy Louise Halliday. Olivia June Hankins. Rabina Kakuji. Kisa Kasangila. Cindy May G. Lee. Jade Lewis. Gabriella Carienza Nkechi Magaji. Daniel McGlashan. Ma Aitalat Mirza. Amelia Louise Walsh. And now I present to you the students for the Award of Master of Arts in Law. Flora Joanne Amery. Eleanor Charlotte Brolly. Tilly Jane Bruder. Lauren Jade Chadwick. Abigail Emma Collier. Hayley Elizabeth Gardner. Paul Kenneth Griffiths. Maria Jamil Hanif. Jalen Kolukisa. Ellen Catherine Lazell. Josie Madeline LeVay. Charith Niroshan Wijetong Lokapotamaje Don. Alicia Jane McSporran. Neve Francis O'Connor. Katie Joy Paulin. Jack Brian Roddy. Liberty Victoria Linda Tasker. Amelia Rose Wetton. Amna Zulfika. Alexandra Elizabeth Nash. And now I present to you the students for the award of Master of Laws General, Kate Louise Henwood. Bartholomew Oyakahire Omoliman. And now I present to you the student for the award of Master of Laws in Corporate Governance, Grad ICSA, Ivaniwara Moizat Obatavimbo. And finally, I present to you the students for the award of Master of Laws in International Human Rights, Awobi Ene Danugo. Aphrodite Grigoriou. Violet Amarachi Ibe.
I call upon Helen Avis to present the students from Nottingham for the awards of their degree.
Vice-Chancellor, I present to you and the whole university the students from the Nottingham campus for the award of Graduate Diploma in Law. Sahel Ramati. Holly Bragg. Max Cove. Bilal Hussain. And now I present to you the students for the award of Postgraduate Diploma in Professional Legal Practice. Emma Campbell. Arian Murray. And now I present to you the students for the award of Master of Laws in Professional Legal Practice. Sarah Ahmed. Amos Kangethi. Elia Kasu. Priya Lakhani. Jasmine Lee. Tanya Matagaidzi. Helen Indinaway Mulambia. Ashrel Parker Belgrave. And now I present to you the students for the award of Master in Science in Law, Business and Management. Clarice Balbastro. Cynthia D'Souza. Anila Iqbal. And finally, I present to you the students for the award of Master of Arts in Law, Sarah Fawibe. Samantha Monroe. Emily Parks. Jack Payne. Darlene Riverell. Saba Zare. Lana Marsh. Ishnet Maziwa. Nicole Forrester. Abigail Guy. Ali Ryan. Bueki Esegbi. Rhoda Oluwatun Misha Ekemode.
Vice-Chancellor, I present to you and the whole university our student vote of thanks representative, Sarah Fawiba.
Good afternoon, Vice-Chancellor, guests, academic staff and fellow graduates. On behalf of all the graduates, I'd like to take this opportunity to firstly thank you for all being here to celebrate with us on this memorable day. I'd like to take time to thank our lecturers who have prepared us for what we hope to be a bright and promising future ahead, as well as support staff, tutors and others that have helped us on our journey. We sincerely thank you for all your efforts, ensuring that we had the best opportunities to learn, build our knowledge, and gain invaluable experience. We thank you for your time, dedication, advice, and most of all, your belief in us. Greatest and most sincere thanks goes to our family and friends for their enormous support throughout our time at the University of Law. Our families have been supportive, understanding, patient, encouraging, whilst we have been completing our studies, and for this we are truly grateful. Navigating an intensive course alongside the uncertain times in which we studied was not easy. Beginning our studies in person and moving into an online learning environment meant that we had to pivot into new territory, prioritizing not only an extremely demanding course, but also our mental and physical health. There are also some graduates who will walk this stage today who've held part-time jobs during this period. I'd like to take this time to commend you for your resilience, drive, and determination. Our friends and family are here in celebration of all of our efforts. We have proven that despite all of this, and what can only be described as unsettling times, we are able to work hard and achieve what we are set out to do. Fellow graduates, I'm sure that you are all with me when I say you will take away many special moments and memories and invaluable life lessons with us from our time studying together, and we look forward to all of our futures ahead. I'd now like to invite you all graduates to stand and show our greatest appreciation and thanks.
I hereby confer the degrees, for which they are now qualified, on all those presented to me today, and on all those listed in the programme, but who were unable to attend this congregation. Thank you all.
And that concludes our graduation ceremony. Please join us for refreshments outside this hall on the lower ground floor and ground floor. Please stand.